Very good evening, class 11 and 12 ISC students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to describe the summary of Act 2, Scene 2 from the drama The Tempest, written by William Shakespeare. So we are done with Act 1 of The Tempest, so you would be in a better position to understand about the rest of the characters. The scene takes place on another part of the island. See, on one part of the island, Alonso and his team, they are lost. They are in the search of Ferdinand. You people know this. Now what happens in Act 2, Scene 2? Let's understand it. First of all, you will find new characters. Caliban, you are already aware of it. Number 2, Stefano and Trincello. Stefano and Trincello. They both are also in Alonso's team, but they are now lost in another part of the island. Stefano is a drunken butler, whereas Trincello is a jester, that is a clown. So in Act 2, Scene 2, Caliban is present on another part of the island, that is in the forest. We know that he is the son of Sycorax, and Prospero torments him. Reason why? Because Caliban tried to destroy the virginity of Miranda. So in the beginning of Act 2, Scene 2, you will find that Caliban, he abuses Prospero. My dear students, there is a reason behind this. This island belonged to Sycorax, and Caliban was the one who had showed that where is food and water available on this island to Prospero. And in return, even Prospero and Miranda were very courteous with Caliban until he did this heinous crime. He made an attempt to rape Miranda. So now you will see that in Act 2, Scene 2, Caliban is troubled. He is being tortured by spirits sent by Prospero. They injure him, they make wounds, they pinch him. And now enters a new character, that is Trincello, a jester. Trincello, because of the cloudy weather, he hides under the cloak of Caliban and finds Caliban to be a very extraordinary creature. He was confused whether he is a man or a fish. And then Trincello recalls about the English freaky shows that he used to see in the city London. He says that if he gets an opportunity to take Caliban over there, he would be earning hell lot of money. It starts raining. Caliban thinks that Trincello is another spirit sent by Prospero. In the meanwhile, Stefano enters into the picture. Drunken butler. My God, he is lost in his own world, singing and drinking. He sees Caliban and says that what an evil creature. He also perceives the same thing. Reason why? I'll tell you. Because Stefano could see 4 legs in one cloak. That confused him, that even shocked him. When he saw Caliban, he poured several drops of alcohol in the mouth of Caliban. After this, Trincello recognizes the voice of his friend Stefano, and they both enjoy their rescue. From where? From the Tempest. Caliban was enjoying drinking wine, that is liquor. In the meanwhile, Caliban thinks that Stefano can be his lord. He will guide Stefano about the island, and this is how Caliban's negative plan will work against Prospero. How? They will burn the magical notebooks of Prospero. And this is how Stefano will capture the island, get married to Miranda, Miranda would be the queen and Stefano would be the lord of this island. You think that it's so easy? This is the plan already designed by Prospero, my dear students. So this is all about Act 2, Scene 2. Keep watching my videos. I would be posting the other scenes and acts. I am Tarun sir. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Apart from this, I would soon be live on my application in the name of Tarun's Academy. So you can watch me live. I would keep you all updated and posted. A separate video would be posted on YouTube that on what day I would be live. Thank you so much for your support once again. God bless you all.